Ever wonder why you're working non-stop, but your bank account looks exactly the same? If you're a freelancer, this is the real reason you always feel broke. Hello, budgeteers! Hope you're ready for another Money Smart session. The biggest mistake freelancers make is trying to manage their money like someone with a stable 9-to-5 job. But your income isn't stable, is it? One month you're making bank, and the next you're wondering where all the clients went. This feast-or-famine cycle is why a traditional monthly budget will never work for you. Your income changes weekly, sometimes even daily, so your money management system needs to be just as flexible. If you are trying to budget your unpredictable income the same way your friend with a predictable paycheck does, you're setting yourself up for failure. It's not about working harder, it's about managing your money smarter in a way that's actually designed for the freelance life. The second mistake that's keeping you stuck is mixing your personal and business finances. Think about it. Your client payment for a huge project lands in the same account you use to buy groceries, pay for your Netflix subscription, and grab coffee. When everything is jumbled together in one big pot, how can you possibly know what's what? You can't tell if your business is actually profitable or if you are just spending client money to live. This confusion is a direct path to feeling broke, even when you're making good money. The solution is simple but non-negotiable. Separate your accounts. You need at least 3. One account where all your client payments land. This is your business income account. A second account for your business expenses, software, marketing, supplies. And a third, completely separate account for your personal life. This separation brings clarity and control. Now let's talk about the thing that turns a slow month into a full-blown crisis, having no buffer fund. As a freelancer, you're the CEO, the marketing department, and the service provider all in one. You don't have paid sick days or a guaranteed project pipeline. Bad months will happen. A client might pay late, a big project could get cancelled, or you might just need to take a break. Without a financial cushion, these normal business fluctuations feel like emergencies. You start taking on bad clients out of desperation and undercharging for your work just to get some cash in the door. This is where a buffer fund becomes your secret weapon. Your immediate goal should be to save at least 1 full month's worth of essential living expenses. This isn't your long-term savings, it's your peace of mind fund. It protects you from making bad decisions and gives you the breathing room to find high-quality projects. So how do we fix all this and finally break the broke freelancer cycle? It's simpler than you think. Here's a system you can start using today. First, track every single dollar that comes into your business. Don't just look at the big payments, track the small ones too. Get a clear picture of your total monthly income, no matter how much it varies. Second, instead of using fixed dollar amounts for your budget, use percentages. A great starting point is the 50-30-20 rule, adapted for freelancers. Allocate 50% of your income to your personal needs, rent, bills, groceries. Dedicate 30% to savings and taxes. This is crucial. You have to pay your own taxes, so set this money aside from day one. The remaining 20% is for business growth, investing in new skills, better equipment, or marketing to get more clients. When you use percentages, your budget automatically adjusts whether you have a great month or a slow one. Third, focus on building that 1-month buffer fund we talked about. Put a portion of that 30% savings category directly into your buffer until it is fully funded. This is your #1 priority. Fourth, and I can't stress this enough, always plan for taxes. Open a separate savings account just for your tax money. Every time a client pays you, immediately transfer a percentage of that payment, say 25 to 30%, into your tax account. Then, forget it exists until it's time to pay the tax man. This will save you from a massive financial headache down the road. Finally, review your finances weekly, not monthly. A quick 15-minute check-in every Friday is perfect. Look at what you earned, what you spent, and how you're tracking with your percentage goals. This regular review keeps you in control and allows you to make adjustments on the fly, which is essential for a freelancer's financial health. This system is simple, repeatable, and it finally gives you a sense of control, even with an inconsistent income. And if you want an easy way to organize this entire system without getting lost in complicated spreadsheets, I created a clean and simple tool called the Budget Boss Planner. It's made specifically for freelancers and remote workers to help you implement these steps effortlessly. You can check it out. The link is right below in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to help you thrive as a freelancer.